Welcome to the federal.com. We have today Makkal Needhi Mayam Chief Mr. Kamal Hassan. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
We are in your native place, Paramakudi. I can see a lot of crowd there. How do you feel from Paramakudi, especially?
Apart from nostalgia, I feel great remorse. I thought the tears in my eyes came out of my emotion towards my people. But then I realized the actual thing is I've seen this as a beautiful town. However small it was a beautiful town. The only remaining beauty in this town are the people. They are still as beautiful as they ever were. But they ruined my riverbed. I played here. I just have to clear the sand and wait for it to turn wet, and then I can get drinking water from the ground. Now 400 feet you won't get water, and the management of the town is so bad. The governance is so bad. They put sewage into this riverbed, which used to get flooded during rainy season. I've bathed in it, I've played in it, but no one would go there. They go there at their peril now. That's a sad state of affairs.
You seem to be attracting a substantial crowd in comparison with your previous attempt. Are they curious onlookers, or because of your Bigg Boss
Bigg
presentation?
Boss was even
Yes.
then happening. But what I think,
Or a genuine voters?
I think they feel that this is pertinent election for them. Then it was about Mr. Modi or whatever. They wanted to give a verdict last time. And in Tamil Nadu, they were working against the idea of him entering into Tamil Nadu. That was their mood. So I was not as important to them as blocking what they thought was irrelevant to their.
In the parliamentary election, you got 3.7%. What are your realistic expectations from the 2021 assembly polls?
We had very short time to prep, and our organization was just building at that time. Even in spite of that, in 60 places, we had exceeded 10%. It's only on the total average that we come down to that. In more than 4 or 5 places, we had exceeded 15%, which gives us hope that we had a lot of time to prepare, and it's a very pertinent election for Makkal Needhi Mayam as far as Tamil Nadu is concerned. They are looking at us as important players. That's why the crowd.
You are claiming that you are the architect of Third Front. Isn't it a tall climb?
No, see, all children grow up. So they will become tall one day. And so you'll have to aspire to do things when you grow up.
What does the decision of Mr. Rajinikanth to keep away from electoral politics mean to you? Has it weakened or strengthened your position?
I think, no, it hasn't weakened me, clearly. Even from the media, that's the feeling I get. But it concerns me. His health does concern me. Like all his fans, I feel that that's more important. But yes, as he has said, that he is not going to be involved in electoral politics. Nevertheless, will be talking about politics or trying to make effect on politics.
You said you will ask his support for you. Many parties have extended their similar request. So why should he support Mr. Kamal Hassan?
Friendship is probably the only reason, and we are both talking about the same thing. First thing primarily is friendship. Second, if he is talking about honesty, then he has to support it. That's the logical part of it. This is the emotional part of it. and that's the logical part of it.
One thing, you have been critical on both ADMK and DMK in the state. Will you stick on it, or you will compromise in the later stage?
My criticism stands. There's no change in that. I can't, because I've recorded it in your media. So that there can't be any change in that. It stands. It stands.
One interesting perception is there. Always Tamil Nadu is standalone in many issues. When the center is executing some schemes or any kind of attempts, Tamil Nadu is always against it. It is again a perception. Do you feel that?
It's a perception, because we are very much with the national flow. Gandhiji has come here to this place twice in his travels, and nowhere else in India would you find the name Kamaraj in either Lucknow or even Rajaji, for that matter. But here you can just shout, go into the market and shout Gandhi, and at least 5 people will turn around and look and say Nehru and even Patel. So that is the mindset of a Tamilian, but he wants to be included. But if you're doing something exclusive with a limited club-like attitude, then he will oppose it very well.
By and large, the state is voting for the state parties till now, not for national parties. Also, I wish to ask you about this centric parties results. Even in the US, centric party is not gaining more votes. What about you?
But I think we can make history that way.
All the best for your 2021 assembly elections.